Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the live stream. This is 10 at 10. I'm going to go ahead and give it, just a few minutes to let everybody kind of stumble in. Tonight we do have double coins. Double KCoin is double KCoin giveaway. So, for those of you who are interested in the coins, you get, as of tonight, right now, because it's the first night, we got to start off right. At least you get, basically, for being in here, you get 100 coins every 5 minutes you're in here instead of 100 coins for every 10 minutes that you're in here. So anyways, if you're on the stream, thank you. Let me get the coin system up and running. What's up, collecting coin Texas? Welcome to the stream. If you give me 1 second, I will get this coin system running like it's supposed to, and everybody will be happy. We're doing a silver giveaway at the end of the coin system, or at the end of the coins thing, which is basically whoever has the most coins by the end of it. So you can beg, borrow, steal, well, you can gamble your coins, and that is that. Let me just copy this real quick. 5 people watching. Yo, coins, KCoin. It's not up yet. It's working. We're getting there. Sometimes, you just gotta take it one bite at a time there, Ja. Boom! Alright, it should be up and running now. Welcome. How is your night going? What's up, Adrian the Great? Welcome. By the way, special shout out to, I gotta check real quick because somebody made a $5 donation after, I believe that the stream was, well, it was during the stream, but it never got announced. But anyways, I gotta say special thank you to David Samson for the $5 donation. He said he was glad he was able to catch some of your stream tonight. Me too, man. I'm glad that you were able to catch some of it too, and I hope that you enjoy the videos. It's been a little bit weird seeing that, by the way, all the coins have been reset, so now everybody has only 0 coins. But you can get 100 if you wait 5 minutes. Anyways, so yeah, I have to say, David, thank you. I appreciate it, man. Means a lot. Definitely way to support. By the way, if you guys are sitting there and like, what do we do? Hit that like button. We got 5 people watching. For every like that this video does get, 2,000 or 1,000 coins will be handed out. So if you're watching right now, congratulations, because you earned yourself 2,000 coins. So anyways, and I did update some of the commands, so you guys will be excited about that. Anyways, what I'm going to try to do tonight, besides having double coins on, is that we're going to try. I got a question on one of my videos about an Acorns portfolio, and it was like, what portfolio would give you the highest dividend, basically, or the highest dividend payout per month? And so what I wanted to do was look into that a little bit more. First of all, to help me produce content, maybe in tomorrow's video. Well, tomorrow's video is already filmed. I just got to edit it tonight. It's going to be on a company called IIPR. It's called Innovative Industrial Properties, and they are trying to formulate a real estate investment trust specifically for the cannabis industry. And I currently hold 4 shares of them, and I've held them for over a year now. But I did a value analysis on them to see if it was an actually good investment versus a bad investment, because so far I've generated 100% return on there. And so I was just trying to see if maybe it was a good investment unbeknownst to me, and see if my wife actually picked a good investment. But as far as like applying the value of the book to that stock, it wasn't very, very good. But anyways, be sure to check it out tomorrow. It'll be well worth your time. So I believe that I started the stream at maybe 9:15. Anyways, welcome. 6 people watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're already not subscribed. I'm coming for you. I win because I was first. No, you don't win. You got to be here Saturday night to win. We're giving away silver, half an ounce of silver, Saturday night. Which means that I need to update this to do this right here. Giveaway. No, not that. I need to know that. I need to do this. I win because I was first. No, so we're gonna go ahead and look into it a little bit more here in probably the next 5 minutes. 9 people watching now. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Thank you for watching. We're gonna be looking biggest payout monthly. We're gonna be looking at acorns and exactly how that goes with acorns. So what's the biggest payout that we can get here? Who has the most KCoins? Me is in first place. You're welcome. I think that I will eventually have to change that out somehow. I don't know how to specifically just get rid of one coin, but I think I could figure out how to get rid of it. Because we got to get rid of the Nightbot, and I got to figure out how to do that. But I will figure it out here shortly. Right now, the run at leader is Ja with 2,000. Texas, man, you weren't here for the 2,000 point giveaway. I don't know what happened. You've been clicking on, clicking off, huh? How about that? Four likes on this video. Here comes another 2,000 coins for just being on the stream and being here when someone hits the like button. So, oops, not that one. Anyways, easy, fast way to collect some coins in the beginning is when people like. You give out 1,000 points, 1,000 coins for each like. And you do get, for donation, you get 10,000 for a super chat. Actually, we're going to change that, but tonight 10,000, it'll be 5,000. But like I said, double coins, double coins, double coins. That's the way I work it around here. Why not? You can check your rank also by typing in rank, which is kind of cool. And if you want to, your rank is... Oh man, it didn't even work, huh? Wow, that's lame. Oh well. We'll get it figured out. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get the other screen set up, so that way we can go ahead and jump into the floundering around. And like I said, as the stream moves on, give me about a month. A month will be, you got about another week, actually about another 3 weeks to get this live stream thing figured out. By that time, I'll have a system on how everything runs, and then it'll be perf. We'll do a giveaway every week and that kind of thing, and you guys will enjoy it. Like, don't worry, it's gonna be lit. It's gonna be cool. Yo, what's up? Did I beat Ryan here? I think you did, man. Congratulations, we got another like, so that puts us at 5 likes. So here's another 1,000 for liking it up, guys. Thank you. We got 8 people watching right now. And we're gonna go look at, if you aren't subscribed, by the way, you get 100 coins for just subscribing. If you're into that. We're gonna go do my spread. Let's look at Robinhood real quick. Robinhood has been crushing it lately for me, if you guys were wondering. Just gotta wait till I sign in, and then, all right, now I'm in. Boom. Anyway, so this is today. I think I was down like 0.05%. The 1 week, I don't. The 1 week chart for me is like crazy. It like doesn't on my phone. It like trends down all the way, and then like towards the very end, it like shoots way up, and I don't understand that. But I'm up over the 1 week. I'm up 2.64%, $31, and over the 1 month, we'll see what I'm up again. And over the 1 month, I'm up 3.35% with $40 increase. So good stuff. I like that. I like that. It's always nice, you know. It's nice to have. Oh, it's because I don't have a rank name. Oh man, MVP. Okay, we'll just call everybody Hobbits for now. Hobbits. Required watch time, required amount of coins, 0, 0. Alrighty. That should update the rank. Yeah, man, everybody's, I tell you, man. It's alright. It's alright. It's cool. It's cool. That should be able to rank. Oh, man, it's not. I'll figure it out eventually. Whatever. Cool. Well, today what I wanted to do was get into acorns and what's the biggest monthly payout on there, because this will be a topic that will be on one of my videos. It was a question from one of the subscribers, and I'm not sure who asked it, but I just remember that they asked it. What's up, Ryan? Welcome to the stream, man. There's double coins, and we've already been giving out coins for people smashing the like button, so there are people that are potentially winning right now as we speak. Just gonna go ahead and log in real quick. And how'd everything, hey Gestures, how'd everything go with M1? I'm not sure. What are you supposed to do when you get to the controller on Stash Vault contest? Oh yeah, Adrian. So let me go to the Stash Vault. Stash Vault. So sorry for if there's any audio in here. No, not there. Dang it. Here, let me just Stash Vault. I don't remember exactly how to get there, but the vault, I think it's right here. I just need to get there though. I mean, maybe someone has already like solved it. Right here, the vault. So once you get past the you found the vault. This one, I think you just got to solve the I think it spells Sigma. Yeah. And then boom, you go to the next one, right? Press shoot. So you press that and then, you know, fire away. And then you got to do it one more time. Running riot. Liked, boom. Reward 1,000 coins. Congratulations. The only reason why I'm holding off so much is I want to have a good amount to invest when I open it still. My previous college 500. For sure. Understand that. Yeah. Oh, because you guys start, I suggest, with 500. Yeah, I mean, you could do 500 or whatever. I don't know. I don't think it really matters. Like, it's free. It's literally free, so it doesn't. It's not like they're gonna charge you a percentage. It's absolutely free. Anyway, so that's how you get to it, and that's what you do at the start. So I hope that makes sense. I am currently on this level right here, but I saved actually the spreadsheet, so it's kind of funny that somebody asked about it, because I saved level 8, and I can show you how to beat it. But I haven't got to level 9 yet. because I was under the hoax that it was still coming out on April 13th or whatever. But let me open this up. So I am currently on level 8. And level 8 is for England. Oops. For England. Oh, spelled that wrong. It's black. GoldenEye is what it is. For England. Dang it, spelled it wrong. For England. Doon 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 doon. And that's how you get to the next tab, which is coming soon. And from what I believe is that if you go to, we just got to inspect this real quick. And it says wait. See, I think that what they were saying is that you just put this at the end of the HTML. Oops. Forward. And then it continue. And then it continues. See, but it starts you over again. See, this is, it just starts you back to where it started you originally. So I like, that's what they were saying with that, but I don't know if they got to actually level 9. Let me go do some research in the actual Facebook group. But there also is like help down here, or well, on the last right here, like you can call for allies, which is go to Reddit. I'm sorry if you're not paying attention to the stream. Money, 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 money. Someone's flipcoining. Because you guys, yeah, flipcoin. Thank you, Bridgeforth, for your donation. You received 25,000 coins and currently are the coin leader. Check donation. Yeah, let me go ahead and refresh that. That should update it. And everything should be better on. There you go, man. Congratulations. You made it onto the top. You're the MVP. What I need to do is I need to update that in the rank over here. And new rank and call you the MVP and can only manually assign. Save. And then how do you, I think you got to go to here. Controls. Viewers. Refresh. Edit. Static rank. MVP. There you go, man. You are the current leader and the top MVP. And I need to... New MVP, yeah! Hey, the $25 dono. That was, I believe... Yeah, $25. Awesome. Thank you, Ja. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for the support. New MVP, got you, Ryan. Yeah, so... Anyways, what it was saying was... what the hell am I supposed to do? I'm trying to figure out... I found something to inspect the element on level 11. Stash clues. Google Docs with all hidden source text. The document shows all hidden text I was able to find from level. Let me know if you missed anything. This is just the start. Coming soon. Let's see. This is all that matters. Wait, what championship happened? Always your friend. No parliament here, just me. No phantom in, just dust. The vault doesn't say level 11 like others. Speculation section. Huh. Yeah, see, I haven't been able to figure out how to get past level 9, and it's been bugging the crap out of me. Sup, Tim? Welcome to the stream. Hey, we got another like and a dislike. Wow, really? We're going to get a dislike like that? Man. It's probably the guy that was on the beginning. Thanks for liking. Here's another 100 or 1,000 coins for whoever liked. Oops, sorry for bumping the microphone. I earned $26 through donations from streaming, so I basically passed on. Awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. That's awesome. That's me. Jump in the shower. I'll be right back. All right. Don't miss the coin giveaways. So that's the vault. Stuck on date right here. This probably will help out. How do I get past level 9? I'm stuck on 413. I think I cracked it. Need assume. We'll get confirmation here soon if you did. If I don't mind asking, did you confirm the address when you sent off the email or just in response? Level 9 master Google Doc. Here's a Google Doc containing everything we know. This level relates to Legend of Zelda, Arcane Time. The URL is a reference from the game Syria. Your friend typing in different playable Archon songs for the game will result in various sounds and visual effects. Each song will give you a short code of dots and rupees. Deciphering this code, then unscrambling the letters tells out Sarah's song. Interest song of the time causes the user to be sent back to level 1 to the vault. The source code of the page contains a hidden message. No parliament here, just me, known phantom, and just us. The songs are labeled. It is possible the song 2 missing has something to do with the solution. Stash has given us the hint that a group of owls is known as Parliament. Stash also released a hint, the following message: I'm Dampy, the Gravekeeper. My face may be scary. So here's a link to Sonic 2. The background song behind the speech is the audio file of Shriek's theme. The best guess so far is an audio file, cryptic file. Stash posted a link to a countdown, the word phantom written at the top. The end countdown displays the word friend. The link countdown was almost immediately taken down and replaced with a new link, new countdown, which ended with a blank screen. The meaning of all this has yet to be confirmed. You expect me to try to do this? The answer was type in Sarah will always be your friend verbatim after getting all the songs. Huh. I don't know. Anyways, I give up on it, so that doesn't really matter a whole lot to me, because what I came here to do tonight is find out how much, like, what portfolio is the potentially best for dividends. So what we need to do is figure out Adventures of Willie and Shelby. Is this for investing or elves? Just join the feed. Yeah, so we're looking. What's up, Adventures? Thanks for joining, by the way. We're going to look at the biggest payout for Acorns. So we're going to look at the different ETFs that are on Acorns and then compute them into what the biggest payout based upon portfolio could be. So not really like investing, but more not speculation either, but more just like what is the highest paying portfolio as far as dividends go on Acorns, because I was one of my questions that a subscriber asked, and I do want to make a video for it, but being kind of like collapsed for time and stuff, I figured why not just do a live stream where I do it, and then I can go back through and kind of remake a video where I talk about it more in depth and why that's the case. So as far as I got to figure out my performance breakdown on the portfolios. So large company stocks, we just got to figure out how much these pay monthly. Wow, really? It's not going to show you what the actual portfolio is anymore? That's lame as heck. Like, it doesn't even tell you the ticker anymore. What the heck? That's crazy. Settings. Let's just go here then. Legal, contact Acorns, email present, push notifications. That's lame. What's up, fam? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm just trying to get to the part where I can actually like find the... This is so lame. Acorns Online is lame. I don't know why I go there first. But I will continue on to go to their platform on my phone. Yeah, so rank is supposed to be, like, for instance, I think that rank for Ja is MVP, but everybody else should be ranked a Hobbit. Let me just make sure that that's the case. I don't know. I'm gonna make special ranks for people, but I just got to figure it out, and I gotta edit this one. Delete this one. New rank. We'll just say if you have 1 coin, we're gonna call you a Hobbit. Required 1 coin. I think that should work. Oops. No problem, sir. Awesome. I joined Acorns because one of your videos popped up in my recommendation feed. New to all this, gonna get quiet and listen now. Yeah, Acorns. I love Acorns. It's pretty much like the set it and forget it app of investing. Well, especially investing on your phone or that kind of thing. And I love it. Let's see. In order to continue using the app, you need to update the latest version. Wow. All right, so while that takes its time, I think there's another way to figure this out. Change my future right here. Here we go. Oh no, I gotta set up a recurring investing. Not that I didn't want that. Past. This should help me. Here we go. Here we go. Some combined investments. Okay. Oh, I did a huge rebalance right there. Yeah, rank should show up. Your rank. It doesn't. I don't know why it's not wanting to do it right now, but I might have to change the actual command. Let me just delete this right here. A new command. Command rank. Return text. Rank. I think that's the way to do it. Let me just look at the custom commands here. Yeah, no, it's all trying to get it set up, so maybe I did it wrong. Rank. Yeah, see, it should work. Oh. Returns the rank of a viewer if there is a statistically assigned rank for him. This one gets written, not the one determined by watch time. If he doesn't have one, a empty string gets returned. Okay. I think it's this one then, rank static. We'll just try that one then. I don't know. That's weird. It should work. It should say like you're a hobbit or something. Weird. Whatever. Okay, so Acorn should be done installing here in just a second, and then I'll be able to get on it and grab those ETF names, and then I can go look at them. online, do a quick search, and figure out which ones, when they pay and how often and how much they pay, because that's really what we care about. So international large company stocks is VOO. VOO, dividend yield. So this is good right here. This should tell us. Payout is 1.7, and I don't really like this. I don't really like dividends.com. I prefer to go to the NASDAQ, actually. So as far as cash goes, it looks like they pay out once a quarter, but they pay out a 1.9%, I want to say. That's if it went up today, I believe. All right, we'll just go based upon the numbers from last year. So we'll go to the dividend, this one right here. Yeah. All right, so this one pays a 1.7%, and it's quarterly. 1.7%. We'll call this VOO, and then the next one is small companies VB, which is perfect that I'm on this site because then I can just type it in. VB pays a 1.22. 1.22. Oh, wow. Slash coming through in the clutch. VNQ. I want to go and try to go in order of what I have, but VWO. VWO. Pays a 0.76. 0.76. The next one is real estate stocks, which is VNQ. Haven't got any more likes yet, but if you guys hit the like button, there will be a 1,000 coin distribution to everybody in the stream. So just want to let you know that if you're wondering, what is this? VNQ, and it pays a 376. Next we have government bonds, SHY, my bad. SHY, and it pays a 1.36%. And next, rolling in the corporate bonds is LQD. And that one pays a 3.46% return. And that one pays a, what is it, 3.46? 3.46. And last but not least is International Large Company Stocks, which is VEA. And I think that I got them all. If I didn't get any of them, and that one pays a 1.44%. So what we're looking for is going to be the one that has the highest percent. Right? So we'll do it based upon, we'll say that you have $1,000 invested. So we'll do the VWO shows a 3.1. That's weird. Let me go look at the NASDAQ and see if that one has a different. Let me go look and see if it has a different payout on the dividend channel. What is this one? Dividend history. This is a weird site. I've never been here before. Yeah, rank and roll dice. I don't know. They haven't been working. Like, let me just see if that should work. But on here it says point. Oh, that's the dividend. Yeah, right here 0.76. I don't know. I always just trust the third parties because I've seen it where they just mess up. Like it's messed up where they don't pay. They just don't pay. Y charts usually has a pretty good that they always block you from seeing unless you sign up. I don't know. I'm just gonna go with 0.76 for now. Bonds will have the highest dividend. It should. I mean, that REIT is looking promising, so we'll go ahead and do it based upon. So first of all, this is the aggressive portfolio, and what I believe is it. I gotta check on here so that way. Congrats, you won 100 coins, and you lost 400. No, I'm just kidding. Coin bonds will. They should. Let's see. We got to go here real quick. Got to go back to the because on the actual website it doesn't tell you the percentages, the portfolio breakdown percentages, and that's really what we need to see to understand how everything works. All right. So for the aggressive, it is. Oh man, I should have put the actual. Let's see. VQN is real estate, I think. I gotta put that on there because that will be just terrible. All right, so real estate is 10%, so 0.01. Convert that to a percentage. And emerging market is 10%, which is VWO, I believe. Yes. I'm going to put emerge on there. What's the rate of coins per minute? It is 100 coins every 5 minutes. Yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and keep with it at V, and then I'll be able to change it back to that point or whatever you said. I think you said 2.1 or something. Up in the stream, I'll just check it real quick and I'll put it on here. 0.7. Yeah, it does seem a little bit low. 2.31. I'll just put it over here so that way I can come back to it. Mazox, welcome to the stream, man. If you haven't hit the like button already, be sure to do that. Point. And that's a percent. Alrighty. And then secondly, VB, which I believe is small company stocks, I want to say. 20% into small. And then the one before that was, yeah. So, I mean, it probably does pay more. That's probably just the most recent or something. And it dropped down the average. So it'll be easy for me to change because I will just be able to change it, plug the new number in there, and it'll repopulate everything else. So we'll be able to kind of play around with it a little bit more. And we are into small company, large company stocks. Is this one, which is VOO, which is called large, and it is 0.4% into there. And the international company stocks, international is another 20%. So as far as portfolio breakdown goes, it is like this for this one, for the aggressive mix. And so what we'll do is we will do 40% times that. And then I think we got to put parentheses around this. Okay, so I need to do 40% times 1,000 times that. That's what I need to do. 40% times 1,000 in parentheses times that. and this is going to be a number. So for $1,000, you'll make $7 a year off of the aggressive. Same thing over here. Just gotta repopulate it. Equals 20% times 1,000 in parentheses times this, and add a number in there. Huh. Oh, that's because this is 1.2%, so this has actually got to be a 0.0. There we go. Now we're talking. First time watching video on my desktop, and the video is poor resolution. Other coin rank and time watched rank. Not yet, but what I'll probably end up doing is somehow exporting a screenshot of that image of the actual rank time and watch time into the stream, maybe on like the sidebar or something like that, and then you can see it from there. I just haven't really figured out how exactly I'm going to do that, but it will. Oh, so I can just erase coins right there like that. Cool. Oh, that's easy then. I'll be able to keep everybody down the line. All right, cool. Yeah, so I'll eventually have just a screenshot of what's going on. I was hoping that I could actually export a URL of this, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to on the live stream, so it'll just be a screenshot that will go onto the live stream. I just haven't had time to process that and figure out how exactly to get that, but yeah. Yeah. So with the screen resolution, once I get faster upload time, I'll be able to do higher resolution. But for right now, it is. Oh, you can't even see the numbers? Yeah, my bad. Let me go ahead and zoom in then. Oops, not on that one. Return that back to 100%. Let me zoom in on here. I know, my bad if it's like. I totally know what you mean too. So I hope that works a little bit better. I know it's so hard to see what's going on. And I do got to update this real quick because clearly this guy right here, property, vault owner. Hang on one second, guys, while I get this. Bridgeforth. All right, I think that should be. Updated for the vault owner also. Okay, back to where I was. Is there a way? Yeah, so I think I just covered that, right? Okay, good, cool. Yes, cool. The market looked decent today. It did look really good. Yeah, it's actually like 360p that I'm exporting on it because I can't upload. Much better. Thank you guys. Yes, for sure. Oh my goodness, we got 2 more likes. Wow, I got to give some coins out for everybody on the stream right now. Congratulations, you earned yourself another 2,000 coins for those 2 likes that I just got. Thank you. Congratulations. I ain't always say congratulations. Worked so hard I got to vacation. Times that in parentheses. Oh man, I totally put a plus sign there. Oh man, I totally put a plus sign at the end. It's gonna be like super buzzkill. Look at that. Ooh. Numbers. So obviously we need to add another point. We need another 0 here. And that would be that would be 7. This would be, so that one's gonna pay you 6%. This one equals time. Oh man, gotta put a parenthesis on it. Bracket. This is why you went to school, folks, right here. If you're wondering why, if you're sitting around asking your teacher, why did I go to school? It's for this reason right here. So that way you can sit around and calculate. That would be 3%, yeah? Yeah, we need to change these to percentages because it'll just throw me off. Alrighty. This one doesn't pay that, so equals parentheses times that, close parentheses times that. And we got to convert this into a percent, so it's really going to be 0.0 like that percent. And then this has got to be a number. There we go. So then we just go ahead and go and put the sum on here of those. Boom. So with $1,000 over the course of a year, you'll make $16.92. We kicking as AZZ and taking names, coach. There, now I can read it. I added another like. Awesome. 10. Here's another 2,000 or 1,000 coins for the like from Tim. Boom! Congratulations, guys. So, coach, I moved my default install location from Creative Cloud to my HDD, reconnected Photoshop, and when I reinstalled it, still use my SSD, and I have no idea but why I'm so hungry. I don't know. I don't know why either. I haven't really looked into it specifically after I changed it. But my hard drive hasn't been getting as full, so at least I feel like it hasn't. I've been able to hold more movies on my laptop. I don't know if that's because I changed the location or what. I think it also has to do with gestures. I think it also has to do with I did change something else on here too. I clicked creative. I think I clicked Creative Cloud Files. No, not that one. I think I clicked Preferences and changed the Creative Cloud, also this one, to my actual Seagate as well. So I don't know if that changes it, but I think that's what you were talking about, what I was supposed to do. Oh, right here. Yeah. Preferences. So I changed the apps, and then I also changed the files. So the file location is now also on here as well. So I did that also. I don't know if that would change it, but I guess that's where the files go as well. So maybe that would give you a little bit better help with that. Just an idea. I don't know. I don't really have much experience using it, but I just know that would be. So we're gonna call this mod aggress. Mo aggress. All right. So for this one, so this is gonna be the same. We just got to figure out the percentage breakdown. On this one, this is government bonds here. Yeah. We're gonna call it gov, and then we're gonna call this corporate. Core. And it'll be so easy that you guys will be like, wow, 0.10, 0.10, and the large company stocks 0.38%, into small company 0.14, into emerging markets 0.4, into real estate, oh that's 0.04, 0.04, 0.08, and international stocks is 0.16. And then we just take this and we go to percents. Oh, we don't want that at percent actually. We're going to change it to numbers eventually. We're going to take this right here and we just want to take, and I think we keep this constant. Oh no, we don't want that to be constant. We want this to be constant, and we want this to be constant. Oh man, did I mess that up wrong? I forget how do you add something that you need to be constant, but oh right, we'll just do the math again on here. What I should do is I should transpose it over and then go in and manipulate the stuff. Anyways, I'll do it on next time. Set await saves a little bit of time. Equals parentheses that, oops, equals parentheses, delete that times that, parentheses times that. Alrighty, got some comments here. Hippo, thanks for joining in, man. You were actually updated on the stream, but someone else obviously donated way more than you did. So sorry that your name wasn't up there for that long. Hopefully you don't spend all your coins in one place tonight. Damn you. Just check out your count. Cool. Yes, for sure. Anytime. I can't wait till my stash account goes positive. So I was looking at the aggressive mix and thinking of putting 5% into it. Yeah, aggressive mix or the long-term mix. Both of those. I think the long-term mix honestly is good. Especially like 30 years. I think the long-term mix is better. Personal opinion. Would make sense with acorns. The more conservative, the better the dividend payout would be due to higher bond allocation. And that's what I'm thinking. I just think that with real estate, you get a 3%, but it's really not that much. So towards the end, towards like the very end of the account, you're 40% in the corporate bonds, 40% in the government bonds. So like I said, we'll get to the bottom of it. I mean, it makes more sense for us to. I just want to try it, and that way I can have a chart that has it, and then I can also just share it on the actual stream with you guys. That way, you know. Equals that. Oh, I gotta put parentheses on it. Times that. Times that. Equals parentheses that. Dang it. Times that. Times that. Equals parentheses. Guys, if you ain't got your taxes done, make sure you get them done. Tomorrow is the last day for taxes. Dang, see that 100% right there? What is that, 10%? No, there's no way. Oh, that's because that's set up as 1 point. See that? Shooting myself in my own foot. 0.0. Change that into 1%. Yes, there we go. We gotta fix this into 1% too. Equals parenthesis that. Oh man, did I do it wrong again? Times that, parenthesis times that. And last but not least, oh wow, that made me nothing. How is that? Oh, that's because I put F8, not F9. Silly Willy. Equals parenthesis times that times that. There you go. So we're going to go ahead and just smooth this over in. So in the moderately aggressive, you're making $18 a year. Would make sense with acorns. The more, yes, I'm sticking with stash for now. It definitely, and that's what I was saying with Tim, is that either the aggressive or the long-term mix on stash. Tim, my suggestion, pick an allocation percent and stick with it. If you keep changing, you're getting too emotional with the investment. You'll end up cat chasing its tail. Definitely, yeah, that's probably the best advice right there. Best opinion, I would say. I have set to my D drive, but for some reason it goes to my SSD. I don't know why. Thank you, though. When I'm done with my video on Premiere, I'm going to remove everything Adobe and restart. Yeah, I would try it out. I don't know. For me, some reason I think it might be working, but there was nothing in that folder, so probably not. I would recommend you keep your bonds at 20%. You were talking about a few days ago, perhaps 20% aggressive. Yeah. KCoin and the other 60% divvy it up how you like. Totally my opinion, not a financial. Gotta just put that out there. What's going on here? We're trying to figure out the top paying portfolio on acorns as far as dividends go for a year. I don't want to sell big business or Uncle Sam. Yeah, don't sell it. Just raise or adjust. That would be like so yeah, just yeah, man, he came out and just crushed it with a donation. He said $10 silver. Okay, I'll buy it for 25. Now we'll see if he stays. This is the mod. We'll see if he actually stays with it and keeps, because we're definitely going to be giving a whole lot away. So it's not like. All right, so this is G. We just need to do F here. And then we just got to change the percent. Yeah, so like for me on my portfolio, I don't ever sell on stash. I just change the, so if I'm making a regular deposit, instead of maybe putting my money into big business and Uncle Sam, if there's another portfolio that I'm like, okay, I want to turn this up to a certain percentage, then I'll put my money in there while still keeping those other ones at that same percentage. So if you don't have 100% allocated yet, yo, can you check out AGC ticker and tell me what you think when you got time? Definitely will, Mazax. I will check that out here. Let me just go ahead and try to get through the bulk of this real quick so I can get to the end of it. Because if I get too distracted, then I'll be sitting here and it will never get finished. So I'm going to try my best to do that. By the way, Austin Daly is the newest kid on the block. And we are in the moderate now, which is large company stocks is 0.2. This one we got to change to F and F, and small is that, and F and F, and emerging market is 3%, and real estate is, I think, 6% or something. Real estate is 6. Government bonds is, I want to say 20%. Yeah. And I think that you guys are going to get the picture that the more you have in bonds, the more that money that you'll make back. And that's what the whole point of bonds is to, if they're paying you back for the loan, basically. International large company stocks is 12. And there you have it. So actually, on the moderately aggressive portfolio, you make more in dividends than you do on the moderate. So that's interesting right there. So, well, there you have it, 18%, which would be about 1%, a little bit over, maybe 2% of your overall portfolio. We'll go break it down again with the next one and keep on going and see if that, I think if I copy it, then it might keep one of them consistent. We'll see. No, I definitely did not. It was like, hey, forget you. All right, and this one, what's up? Moderate aggressive is my portfolio. Boom. Exactly. I was just there, man, but I changed it. I don't know why I changed it, but I did change it. The moderately conservative is large company stocks is 24%. Oh, wow, you're going to do me like that? 0.24%? Wait, why am I... Oh, that's because this, yes. Okay, yes. F. There we go. Now that makes a lot more sense. But how come that one is less than 0.2 for a large company? Wait, really? There's more in... Oh, that's 29%. Ah, man, you guys are making me slack. See that? 29%. $20. How did I just skip over that like that? 29%. 24% into this one. Totally was wrong. Totally was wrong. My bad if you guys totally just based off. If you guys went and changed your portfolio. Oh, and this one was bad too. Okay, 10% was in that one. Okay, good. 4% in small company stocks on here. Got to keep the parenthesis there though. And change this to F. And change that to F. And emerging markets is not on this one. Sorry, emerging, you didn't make it. You didn't make the cut. Real estate is doing 0.4 or 4%. And we're at $1.50 there. We gotta translate these over. Here with corporate bonds, well, these are government bonds, yeah, 30%. F, and corporate bonds is 30%, which is my original guess, what I commented on, and I told him, and I said, hey man, it's probably honestly going to be the most conservative portfolio, but if you want to go check it out, I'll check it out for you. And so I'm checking it out. F. Boom. So this one's going to pay you 21%. This is the conserve mod account, and this one is the conservative approach. So at that one, there's not much of a price difference, obviously, between all of them, but you're going to make quite a bit. And this is obviously not counting if you're making regular deposits. So this is merely based upon a $1,000 account held for an entire year. If you're making regular deposits into this account and reinvesting your dividends, you could potentially see more compounding interest with these bonds as well, because you're going to be putting more money into these bonds, and the dividends are going to be reinvesting back into these bonds as well, just thus bringing them higher, along with these other dividends as well. So this would just be strictly $1,000, leaving it set, not including compound interest over the entire year. Because for instance, if you got paid like whatever, almost $1 per month on this corporate bond right here on the conservative moderate account, that would be putting another $1 here every single month, and so you would be getting paid a higher dividend share of that every single month. So just something to think about in regards to compounding interest. This does not include it. What's up? Oh boy, let's gamble. Here's a thought, guys. Been watching my M1 daily, and my bonds are outperforming the stocks. More the reason to have a decent holding in each. Hello, Gestures. What's up? I don't know if you just... Everybody's flipcoining, man. What the heck? Hopefully you guys are coins. Flipcoin 260. No more than 500 at a time. Flipcoin, you lost. Yeah, I'm not doing all tonight. Nah, man, you got to save that for when it actually counts. You got to save it for Saturday night when you really need it. Because I think Saturday night we're gonna do like triple coin giveaway or something like that. Like it'll be good stuff. So normally for a like, I'll give away like 500 points or 500 coins. And then as far as this one, we got to do it one more time. And then we'll have our final answer, which is what I believe is going to be true. F, and this is 12% into large company stocks, and small company stocks is 2%. Wow, the conservative method I feel like will not go anywhere at all. No emerging market. Real estate is going to be only 2% as well. And as far as government bonds, you're looking at 40% invested into government bonds. $5 right there. Uh-oh, somebody's typing in hack codes. And corporate bonds is 40%. And what is the last one? International company stocks. is going to be a measly 4%. So you'll basically earn $23 on the conservative account with $1,000 a year. So interesting thoughts. I don't even know what that means. Come on, Jack, get on this game. I don't get this flipcoin thing. Yeah, so flipcoin is basically, so the coin system that's in place that everybody's kind of using is so the way that my live stream is set up is that every single week on Saturday I do a giveaway. I just started the live stream, by the way, last week, and so I'm working on really beefing things up on the live stream, which means that I told the subscribers, the viewers, I said, hey, give me about a month. Let me definitely try this thing out. I'm going to try to do it 6 days a week, and then also come out with a video 6 days a week. So it's like the kind of laid back. Scroll over. I can't see the conservative. Yes, for sure. That should be better. My bad. But it should be. I forgot what I was saying. So I said give me a month. Right now we're at week 2. We're starting off week 2, and so we're doing a giveaway. So the way that you get the giveaway is you have to be the person that finishes off the week with the most coins. Right now, Bridgeforth has it. He's currently the vault owner. He has, I think, like 31,000 coins. Everybody reset and started off with 0 today. He made a $25 donation, and so he got 25,000 coins because it is set up to double coins tonight. And so he got 25,000 coins. However, usually with a donation like that, we do it 5,000 coins per donation. Do they count dividends in a Roth IRA as ordinary income, or is it tax protected? I think it's tax protected. You can't. However, if you go to pull those dividends out of there, then you got to pay taxes and a penalty on it. From what I believe, again, not a tax professional. I would consult with your tax professional about that. But from my understanding, is that as long as you leave the profits, the dividends, everything in there, then you can't get taxed on it. So you can pull out your own money that you've invested out of that Roth IRA. Your money that's already been taxed from your paycheck, and you invest it in there. But if you go to like pull out profits or dividends, then you're going to be paying penalties on that plus some tax. So that's what I believe in regards to the Roth IRA. I could be completely wrong. I would have to do more research on it. But from my understanding, I don't think I'm going to be paying taxes on the Roth IRA. By the way, we filed for a little extension because we just started our taxes yesterday. We're going to be filing an extension, but we're almost finished. We're doing them ourselves this year, so it's a little bit more different, I guess is the word. But I feel like it's going to give me a little bit more control, help me understand about writing things off for the business, what it takes expense out, and how to really track everything the best way possible. So I didn't clear the watch time yet because I plan on like doing like a overall watch time giveaway at the 1 month or something like that. So watch time is still accruing. And currently Ryan sits in first place with 380 minutes watched. But yeah, I'm going to try my best to get... Coach, can you look at 116? 1/16? Can you lol at 116? I don't know what that means. I'm so confused. Someone got rid of their thumbs down. You're welcome, Alan West. Should I flip coin? Yes, don't be a chicken. Same here. The Bitcoin taxes shocked me. Yes. Did you made money off of Bitcoin, I assume? I don't think I made profit off of Bitcoin. I think I sold this year with it. I don't remember. And it was money that was already invested. I don't know how I'm going to even track that, to be honest. I got to still figure it out for next year, but oh well. I'll figure it out. It's all saved. So anyway, so there's the highest portfolio. As you can tell, it's the conservative. And I was going to look at the next one, I believe came from Mazox, which was, what's up? We got 11 people watching. If you haven't hit the like button, you get everybody gets 1,000 coins for you, specifically you hitting the like button. So if we see that thing go to 11, another 1,000 coins will come out into the system. And Mazak said AJC. I'll go ahead and take a look at it real quick on Yahoo Finance, not YouTube. Hey, it's me and I'm live. Correct. Anything Roth related, as long as you follow the structure and the policy of the Roth account. Yeah, and most of them have a DRIP system, so a dividend reinvestment system on there. So it's not like you can actually pull them out. I know in Stash specifically, if that dividend pays, if that ETF pays a dividend, it gets automatically reinvested into that dividend. There's nothing you can do about it. You can't change it. It just automatically happens. ASG, I believe is what he said. Mazax, I'm not sure. I can't find you again. I found you and then I lost you. I'll find you again. Don't worry. I did not forget about you. I hope you're still on the stream too. Right here, AGC. I don't know if you're looking for, okay, this is Advent Claymore Convertible Securities Income Fund 2. Claymore Convertibles. I think you had me look at this the other day. So typically for this, I would be looking at the, if you're looking for a swing trade, it looks like we're coming into a pinch, a squeeze. I hope. Right here we had a squeeze on a downtrend. So we came out of it right here this day, negative. But we didn't actually trend down anymore, so that's weird that we just pulled back. But we'll see where right now we're positive momentum. And we're coming into a squeeze, it looks like. So we'll see what tomorrow holds. But if this yellow line goes inside this black one, then we'll be in a squeeze. And wherever it pops out at it, if it pops out positive momentum, it's like 90% chance that it will continue going up. But if it pops negative momentum, then it will be 90% chance that it will go down. However, yes, got in on Ethereum. It was 16 bucks. Yes, remember sharing is caring. And 11 likes. Yes, whoever you are, the last person that just liked the video, thank you so much. So that way, everybody appreciates you. So whoever it was, you guys owe them thank yous. I hope that you guys comment with a thank you in the stream. Because, I mean, let's be honest. Everybody wants to rack up as many coins as possible. And if you're here watching, congratulations. Sorry. Oh, yeah, I forget that you guys can't see the squeezes on here because literally the thing is in the way. So over here is what I'm talking about. It'll squeeze into here. It should, as long as it continues on this trend, it'll squeeze into there. And what that happens is basically compresses and then it will pop. And usually it may pop huge. It may just pop like a few clicks up or something, but it'll definitely pop one way or the other. Robinhood needs a drip. They definitely do. I would agree. We should all band together on like a Thursday night and write them an email and say, hey, please institute a drip system. They probably take into consideration. They got like 5 emails that night. I hope that Stash also does that. Coach, I asked if 5% aggressive, 10% Uncle Sam, 10% big business was too much into bonds. That's 25%. 5% aggressive, 10%, 10%. So that's 20% specifically bonds, and then out of that 5%, it's 40% of that. So about 2%. So it'd be like 22% in the bonds that you're looking at. I feel like that's pretty decent. The book The Intelligent Investor, he talks about make sure that you're 25% invested in there. Thanks a million for the like. You are welcome. Adventures of Will and Shelby. Adventures of Will and Shelby. Just checking out your channel because I think that you guys do produce videos, right? Bork face review, surprise snowstorm, and watch the windshield slowly. Anyways, I don't know if you're putting out content or this is only 11-second video. I'm watching it right now. People think that I don't care about their stream, huh? Beautiful dog, by the way. Beautiful dog. I have a all-American dog, and he is just the cutest thing as well. They'd probably be best friends, to be honest. Like over here looking at people's. Oh man, he's bark. He must be excited or something, huh? Got to put a little emoji on there too. The emoji. Anyways, thank you. What is a drip system? Drip system is dividend reinvestment program. Dividend reinvestment program. Anyone know when the video game ETFs companies will drop on stash? Just waiting for someone to finish it all. Yeah, so it looks like it's. I was reading through the Reddit forum, and it looks like someone has already solved it, or what they said they might have already solved it. They sent the email, so I guess we're just waiting until it gets finished or something. But yeah, sorry. I think I paid you enough attention. The Adventures of Will and Shelby. 22% sounds decent in the bonds. Yeah, exactly. Right now, especially. I mean, on my account, I think 25%. I think it's like 30% actually right now on stash. I feel pretty comfortable with that. I'd like to when the market starts climbing again, I'll probably consider dropping it a little bit lower, but maybe like 5% or something, but not a whole lot. But like I was saying, the intelligent investor recommends 25% in the bonds, 75% into equities. Actually, he says Benjamin Graham is the guy. He says do 25%, between 25% to 75% into bonds, and then vice versa, do the exact opposite into equities. She's a trucking dog and everybody loves her. That's awesome. The trucking industry is crazy right now. There's an influx of, there's a huge need for drivers and not a whole lot of people driving. And I think the reason why there's not a whole lot of people driving is because people, first of all, don't understand it, and then second of all, maybe they're not willing to take the current wage to drive trucks. I don't know, but I think it's a great job that soon. I think it's a job that will people will start getting paid more because there's a demand for drivers that's not currently being filled, and so they're going to have to incentivize people to come. And how they're going to do that, I'm sure that they've already started programs. I'm sure that you would know better than me on specifically how they're going about recruiting new drivers and so on and so forth. I knew I would figure it out. I'm still noob. Yeah, so what I would do is, Tim, I would first of all sit down at a sheet like this, right? This is like my personal opinion on what I would do. I would sit down on an Excel spreadsheet and I'd be like, okay, I got 100%. That's all I got. That's all I can do. We'll go like this, 0.1 or 1, and then we'll just convert it to 2%. So I got 100%. So how much do I want in bonds? How much do I want into stocks or equities, we'll call them? And do I want anything into gold, silver, because there is an ETF on there for gold and silver, and then REIT, which would be real estate investment. So do I want anything into any of those as well? And then I would go, okay, so I want 25% into this right here, into bonds. Okay. That leaves me with 75% into the rest of them. So do I want anything in gold and silver, anything into REITs, anything in the stocks? Like, let's say 75% into stocks or 70% into stocks is what you would do or whatever. But I think it's more important to write it down so that way you can always just reference it, because it's terrible to always have it in your brain and never be able to reference it, because then you'll just become more emotional when the market does what it did, or if it does what it does do, then you'll be back up. And then, for instance, you can be like, okay, now as far as like delicious dividend, or for instance, like big company bonds, big bonds we'll call them. I want to do, you said, I think 10%. right? So this is your main right there, and then you're going to do the breakdown, and then you're going to need to add another bond or maybe 2 bonds if you're going to keep it with the 10% thing at 25%, or you may need to add, like, say you wanted to do the aggressive mix and you wanted to do you said 5%, so that's going to be like 2% here and 3% here. So you could do it something like that. And then from there, what I would go through and I would say, okay, my price right now, I have $2,000 in my account. And then I would just take that and be like, equals that times that, and convert that into a dollar amount. So I need to have $200 invested into big bonds or around there, give or take, a few percent. And it'll tell you the percent that you actually own in that bond as well, based upon the amount that you have in your portfolio. So just some stuff to look at. But that's what I would do, is I would very much set it up to where you're like, okay, my percentages are more or less accurate. You could do like a $5 deposit or even more, like an auto stash into like one that you're like, or 2 that you're like, this is really good stuff. I really like these ones, so I'm going to auto stash into these. But as far as like auto stash go, me personally, I use it as a way. I use auto stash to go to my cash equivalents on stash, and then from there I distribute it where I want to distribute it. And I distribute it $20 at a time. So this week I'm super excited because I actually get to make my deposits, which means I get to buy more stock. And that makes me excited. There you go, Keith, explaining it now. Cool. Yes. Yes. And with the beautiful thing about M1 Finance is that it does it all for you. So for instance, which is why Ryan loves to like harp on M1. Coach, you're in 4th on my coins list. Yes. Alan West, Tesla isn't going to take over anytime soon, but Uber Freight has concerned a big segment. Uber is getting into it. Yes, I knew I would figure out. I'm still a noob, yes. It's alright to be a noob. My seat's falling. Check that out. Look at me disappear. I thought a lot of argue exact opposite. A longer investment return, more in bonds exits, or Tesla trucks will take over. Pay is low in contrast to rates. Owner op benefits the most, along with large company shareholders. Okay, I'm quiet again. No more distracting you. Make sure to slap a like. Guess what time it is? Who's getting on this gamble time? All right, hopefully that stays. So yeah, that's the way that I would break down the portfolio. I do it like this because then you're not buying based on emotion. You're buying merely based upon the percentages of a portfolio. Now, whether I think it works with single stocks versus ETFs, I haven't really tested that. That's why I'm using Robinhood right now as more of a test subject, a beta test, to figure out if it works similar with stocks as it does to ETFs, because ETFs are managed, so they're not going to be as volatile. And then secondly, the ETF managers don't want those ETFs to fail. So, cool. I hope that does explain quite a bit with the portfolio. But yeah, M1 Finance, you can do this through the actual app. It's all integrated. So it's a pie chart, and then you just pick the percentage that you want into like big bonds or aggressive or whatever it is. You just got to pick, you got to know the ETF to pick it, and then you just turn it up. You're like, okay, I want 5% here, and you just turn it up to 5% and leave it at 5%. So it's really, really, really convenient as far as like percentages goes into an account. With Stash, it's not as convenient, but I like the fact that Stash does like only have 50, 60 or so ETFs and stocks that you can buy from that they've like went through and selected. I think it really does a great service to, first of all, new investors, and then also even like me as an investor. Like I'm looking at it, I'm like, this is awesome that I really don't have to put a whole lot of time and effort into looking at every ETF that's on the stock market. I can look at just 40 and be like, okay, which ones do I like? Which ones do I not like? Or I can just say, I'm going to buy every single one or whatever. You won 600 coins. Congratulations. So that's what I look at in regards to that. And that is cool. I wanted to look at Gush. Gush one more time was doing. Yeah, so for this AGC, I would wait for it to collapse in. I'm actually going to look. Oh, this is good. This is an income fund, so it's not going to be a specific company, I don't believe. But this is what he was talking about the other day, which I should have bought in. Like me, I should have bought in yesterday. So it closed yesterday at 412, which was on Friday. So I should have closed on Thursday. I should have bought it on Friday, which would have been here. A buy price here, and then I would have rode this. So we'll see what's going to happen with it. But that was a huge. This is a power. Like, look at how long it's stuck in there. So that's like literally almost an entire month of it just like compressing. So I think it's going to be. I think it's going to be a decent sized run. Maybe go all the way back up to like 40. I clicked on it already. I'm literally looking at it right now. Yeah, it might go up 10 more points. We'll see. That definitely has the potential to. I mean, look at that. The volatility on that. Like this swing right here. From 23 all the way up to 36. So it definitely does have the potential to keep on going. Just a fast moving. It's 3x ETF. So it's going to be really, really fast moving as far as that ETF goes. On the flip side of that, coach, having too much control can make it tempting to make changes rather than to set it and forget it. Yeah, definitely, and that's why I think that like writing it down is the most important thing you could ever do yourself as a service, is to write down what exactly you want to do with your portfolio. That way, and then like I would also write down, for instance, even on here, when you're going to change percentages, if you're going to adjust percentages, and I would write that down specifically, like maybe you're going to do it once a quarter. And so then when a quarter comes up, I would go in and go, okay, you know what? Everything has been doing all right, but I think that I could get more growth with maybe staying at 25% into bonds, or at 20% into bonds, and maybe we'll say 10% into REITs. And so that would be the breakdown or whatever. And then that would update the amount that you can put in there based upon that. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, it still looks like it could still go further, but I don't know. I think that it's just going to. It already had its one pullback on the momentum, so it probably will keep on going. But usually at one pullback, that's when I'm looking at on the momentum oscillator. That's when I'm looking at getting out. However, that was today, so we'll see what happens tomorrow, if that makes sense. Let me go ahead and just. I'll put up the chart one more time so I can kind of dive into it a little bit more. Full screen this bad boy. So as far as like, I'll zoom in on this. So right here we get a pullback here. So that right there, I don't really like, but that'll click over there tomorrow. And so this one still I think can fluctuate. I don't know. From what I've been seeing on like the 1 minute charts, is that this one still, even though it's clicked back once, it still fluctuates based upon everything. So I don't know. We'll see what exactly happens. But as far as like the daily goes, or the 1 minute, like, I don't know, it didn't do too well. I always look like looking at the 1 week or something like that. Like we're in a huge squeeze on the 1 week. I could probably trade this on the 1 week. When do we pull out? Right here. See, we're negative on that on the 1 week, so it's only going to be a really short swing, if anything. So that's what I'm looking at. As far as this one goes for like weeks, it looks like it's going to go down. But you could get a decent pop on the day, probably like a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day trade. As far as like 1 month hold would go, it looks like it's going to go down even more. Just my personal opinion. And then if you look at the overall, like it is in a downtrend. Sorry, I get too crazy with it, but it's down from like 400 points all the way down to 28. So super risky investment. There's another one that mimics the exact opposite of it. So you could pick Gush up for like a 3-day swing, and then pick up the other one, which is, I believe, Drip for the. Watch this. Let me see if this is the case. So this is the 1 week. It's not exactly inverse because this one's still in a squeeze. So for the 1 week, like, we're still in a squeeze. And for the 1 day, we've obviously broke out at a negative. So we're going to continue going down. Had to pull back today. We'll see what happens with that. Cool. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. My battery's about to kill out on me. So as far as top positions and top winners right now, obviously Ja is, sorry, there goes the camera. Hope you will forgive me, but I told you it was going to go. I can go ahead and switch on the other one really quickly just to finish up. I'm on the webcam now. Don't mind me, just on the webcam, hanging out here. Anyways, as I was saying, Ja is in the lead with 36,600 coins, followed in second by Ryan at 1,126,000. And second place is Gestures and /2314 tied in second place, or third place, my bad, with a 9,190. Actually, Gestures got you beat by 30 coins. 9,190 coins with Gestures coming in third place. So anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and do another 1,000 point giveaway because it's the end of the stream. And I thank you all for chilling out. So the coin will continue to accrue as we move forward into the week. And on Saturday night, you're not going to want to miss it. But we will be giving away half an ounce of silver, which is roughly about $9. Actually, I think it's like $8 right now, but it will cost me about 10. So anyways, and then we're going to do other giveaways once a week. So if you don't win this week, you always got another chance to win maybe in a future week. So the points will reset every single week, and then we'll reset the watch time like once a month, and we'll do a 1 month giveaway. But I'm super excited for episode 100, which is in actually 2 episodes. And tomorrow, yeah, you're welcome, Adventures of Will and Shelby. I don't know if I subscribed to you, by the way, but I will real quickly. I should have subscribed to you, but I don't know why I didn't. Always, support the local small YouTuber. I'm still small, so, and I'm dropping, my seat's dropping again. Anyways, yeah, so it's gonna be exciting stuff. Still trying to figure out the kinks. I got about 3 more weeks to get this thing figured out, and then I'll start having like weekly topics. So every single day will be a specific like setup. So maybe, like, for instance, like Wednesday we'll look at a news article or something like that. But it's going to take me about a month to really get this thing running smoothly, and everything that I want up as far as like overlays and that kind of thing on the stream, and so on and so forth. So I appreciate your guys' time and you guys spending time with me learning things. And if you want to know what the biggest payout on Acorns is per month, you're looking at bonds specifically. Very heavy into bonds, conservative account. But obviously that doesn't include growth. And growth probably plus dividends will beat the bonds. So anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. By the way, don't forget to check out my video tomorrow on industrial innovative properties and whether it's a good stock or worth it or not. Sneak peek, it's not, but at least you guys can check it out. It would be awesome if you guys hit the like button on that video and leave a comment, answer the question that I post or whatever. I would appreciate that as well. And I'm just trying to find my mouse so that way I can end the stream. And so anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. See you later.